In this video, we're going to talk about Celer Network. It's a hidden gem. I did a hidden gem video about this, and I'm back with another Celer Network video because I want to share and spread the news to you because this is probably one of the most underrated gems in terms of cryptocurrency you're going to see. And as of right now, the price is at 3 cents because it's a correction right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video because this is the place to be. To grow your brand and to grow your bank account, let's go ahead and dive in to the content. Now, I've been doing some research on Celer Network and more research, and so I looked at their Twitter page. And don't forget, guys, you can buy Celer Network right from Binance. Before I dive in more into the content, Binance.com, I will have the information in the description box. Go right to Binance.com, go right to the page and buy your crypto right there. Go to market or trade to get ready to buy your crypto. You also can go to crypto.com as well. You go to crypto.com exchange, you can buy it from here. I advise you to use your mobile device when you're downloading the crypto.com app and go ahead and look for Celer Network. Now, when I was doing earlier today, I was looking at their Twitter page. Now, they have an aggressive Twitter page. They have a following that's growing each and every single day. I mean, 53,000. I remember this. It was like 20,000. I remember. And what I like about Celer Network is they are moving. They're not moving fast. They're moving at a good, steady pace. Yes, they're bringing mass adoption to the blockchain. Yes, their mainnet is live. Yes, their Telegram group is up and coming and good. And yes, I saw this earlier today. They're getting some news, the top 15 projects on May 19th. So they got some love there. And I'm noticing some other really hidden gems down here as well. There's a couple of hidden gems down here like Matic. I like Matic. I like Link. I like Polkadot, Luna. So there's some good ones down here, 80A. So I like the fact they're getting some love with a pretty good score. So that lets you know, okay, Celer Network is pretty good. And as I was looking deep because I'm just trying to see what's coming new. They had an AMA not that long ago. That was pretty good. So you want to go back and probably watch that if you possibly can. They had an AMA back on May 21st, actually earlier today. So you want to go ahead and check that out. May 21st. Yes, May 21st, they had an AMA, and you want to talk to the co-founder of Celer Network. He answered a bunch of questions. You want to join them on this area here. You probably can go to YouTube and actually search it there as well if it's up, the video's up. But go here right now. You can check that out. I advise you to check it out because you want to ask some questions. Bring your questions there. Or what happens is somebody else probably asked a question that you may be thinking, and then you can go get the answer as well. Some people was already starting to ask questions right there. Now, that is good. Having asked me anything, that's big. That lets me know some things could be coming up. Because I think they're working a lot hard behind the scenes. They're working hard behind the scenes. Now, I was on their website, and I was trying to see if anything new on their website. Yes, we know about some of this stuff already. We knew about the Layer 2 Finance mainnet launches. We knew about that back in April. So that's why I was really interested in checking out and see what this was all about. Because I'm sure there's some information that he might have dropped. So guys, check out this. I can't express this enough. Check out this information in terms of any information on this here. So, and I kind of remind me, I'm like, you know what? Let me go back to the price. I'm sitting here, you haven't asked me anything, because they're not going to do this, ask me anything, if nothing's going on. I'm just telling you. And you got the price this low? I'm not gonna lie to you. I accumulated more. I made another position in Celer Network. I made another position because I feel really good about this. And the fact that I love the fact that what they're doing behind the scenes. I love what the fact that they're doing with the whole platform, the scalability platform. It's fast, it's cheap, it's exciting. It's gonna bring mass adoption. I love the fast, secure, and the low cost applications. What is Celer is right here. I don't have to read it. I read it last time. It launched a world first generalized state channel network. Oh my goodness. The words I like is fast, secure, and low cost. anything like that, I'm taking a look at. I'm going to be like, I'm going to do my research on. I'm going to find out where I can purchase this at. No financial advice. That's what I look for when it comes to these type of things. Now, look at the Twitter page. If you're doing your research, I'll teach you how to do your research. How you do your research, look at Twitter. I'm telling you, I look at LinkedIn profile, I look at Twitter, and then I look at the websites. So I look at the websites, I look at the Twitters. I'm trying to see what's new on Twitter. And the newest thing I saw was the AMA to Ask Me Anything. That's the last thing I saw, what was coming up. That was something I think you should know. They did talk about the community forum launches. They did talk about a little bit about that. They're excited to announce that. And that goes right to their website. If you click there, it goes right to their website. And that talks about the community forum launches. So they're looking to really explode the community with questions and answers and engagements and things like that. They really want to engage in the community, keep you informed, keep me informed if I can keep you informed. So going back to the price here, 3 cents. 3 cents. And I remember doing a video over this. It was about 5 cents. It was around this price here. It was around that price there. And now it's 3 cents here. It makes you want to think like, okay, we're having a major correction right now. And this may be the time to look into it. I can't tell you what to do. But if you want to purchase it, go in the description box, take advantage of the opportunity. And I'll be back to do more Celer Network videos. When anything comes up new that I know of, I'll be back for another video on Celer Network. I just wanted to show you the fact that the Twitter page, you know, what's going on there, what's the newest thing that's happening, what this is. I also wanted to show you how you can purchase it on Binance and Gate.io. That's a couple of places, crypto.com. What looks like this and looks like this. You know what? And then their website, you know, about the seller forum and, you know, about the community forum launches. So I just wanted to show you a few things about what it does, you know, what's its main goal is, which is going to be the fast and secure and the more affordable costs. That's what they do with the scaling platform and the layer 2 scaling platform, I should say. And they hooked up with Ethereum Polkadot. Oh my God. Anyway, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I can't wait to do another Celer video. Any news coming out, I'm going to try to do more videos on Celer Network. I really feel like it is a hidden gem. It's a hidden gem times 2. I'll be back with another video. Don't forget, if you want to purchase it, click on the links below, and I'll see you on the next video.